I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning.
What's up guys? We are back again dito sa aking channel. So this time may kinakabit tayong shower enclosure. Ayan. So this is a customized na shower enclosure. Bali yung main materials natin is alco frame at saka luningning or smoke glass. So pakita ko sa inyo yung details at the same time wanna explain it to you. So we're using here parang small version of FD100. And then nga pala, bago tayo magpatuloy, kung bago lang kayo dito sa aking channel, please do subscribe and then pa-like and share na rin po nitong aking video. So tara guys, flex ko sa inyo yung ating ginawang customized na shower enclosure. Bali yung total measurement dito sa width is 45 inches. Then yung kanyang height is 75 inches. So ayan. So like I said, gumamit tayo dito ng retasong alco frame. It looked like a small version of FD100. Then syempre yung smoke glass. So ganyan lang po yung process natin kung paano kinabit. And then yung ginamit nating hands is this one. Ayan, bali since di naman siya gaano kataas, 75 inches lang, so dalawang hands lang ating nilagay, isa dyan and then this one right here. So ganyan lang po yung process natin, and then may nakaligtaan tayong screw dyan, but that's fine dahil nasa baba lang naman yan. So yung pwersa talaga ng door or yung weight is nasa ibabaw. So yung ginamit nating bumper or stopper, aside from this one, since nakalubog po yung shower na bahagi or yung shower enclosure or yung lugar kung saan maliligo, nakalubog siya ng konti. So almost 1 1/4 I guess yung baba niya. So aside from this one, nagsisilbing stopper para masiguro nating wala talagang tatagas or leak na tubig from the inside. So that's how it look like. Parang considered na rin ito as bumper or stopper nitong ating shower enclosure or shower door. And then yung ginamit nating bumper or yung stopper niya pala is 1/2 by 1 na rec tube. So ayan, and then as well as sa itaas na bahagi nito, naglagay rin tayo ng 1/2 by 1. Actually, I was thinking na gagamit sana ng yung alco door lock. So I find it more expensive dahil nga po yung presyo nito is kumbaga budget me lang. So yung possible na gagamitin nating handle dito is parang bended handle lang and then barrel bolt. I think that's fine. So ito po yung hitsura niya sa loob na bahagi. Ayan. So yung clearance natin dito guys is 316. So rate my workmanship sa mga expert dyan. Paki-rate po ng ating workmanship as well as sa mga interested or sa gustong matuto sa mga bago lang. Please comment down below kung ano po yung concern niyo, at the same time ano po yung gusto niyo malaman or future na i-upload natin para nang sa gayon makuhanan niyo po ng idea. So this is my own version of shower enclosure kumbaga. So I think this is very functional. So once na-close yan, we can assure na wala pong tubig na tatagas or papunta sa labas na bahagi nitong shower area. And then yung ginamit nating frame nga pala dito is 1 by 3 lang po, as well as yung pa-vertical. So that's it guys. Sa mga bago lang sa aking channel, and if you guys find this video very helpful to you, please do subscribe and then palike and share na rin po. So hanggang sa muli, this has been Pong's Work. Abangan nyo po yung mga susunod pa nating mga video related po sa aluminum and glass or any construction related na trabaho. So that's it guys. Have a good day. Bye bye everyone. Ang tingtang tanan.